everyone, so today I thought I would vlog because we've got a couple of errands to run. I'm here with Sam. Yay! We're going to go into town very quickly and then we're going to get the bus to Woolston. I've got a doctor's appointment which Sam is very nicely going to just hang around for. And then we're going to the range, so we will take you with us basically. That's it. The breezy.
Yeah, it's breezy.
That's a nice, the bar gate behind me. Nice shot, nice shot. Okay, so we made it to Woolston. And this is where I'm going to go to the doctors, not my normal doctors, so I'll catch up with you once I've finished in here. So we're in Costa now, Sam's just getting the food over there somewhere, and the drink, sorry. We're going to have a coffee, then we're going to go to the range and we'll go around the range and see all the things that they sell. I've got this like chocolate finger thing and Sam's got a Bakewell slice. She's watching me. So nice. Sam went for strawberries and cream and I went for raspberry and white chocolate.
Yep, you're right.
Yeah. Uh-oh. We're gonna get killed. Yeah. We're not though, because this is a zebra crossing.
Yeah.
Okay.
Way before you were even there anyway, I was like, alright.
We're just going to the range now. And we've just downloaded an app called Map My Walk, and we're going to like see how far we travel, but it's quite good because you can find friends on it, you can do workouts and stuff like that, so hopefully that'll... I'm out of breath just walking from Costa to here.
All that strawberries and cream and raspberries and chocolate.
Yeah, that's the worst thing to eat before you do a little walk. So we should totally get this for the balcony, right?
Yeah. Found the one.
That's
the one.
That's perfect.
A little tip. You don't have to brush all your teeth. Just the ones you want to keep.
Perfect fit. That's cool. The compass, that one is unscrewed. Is it? Oh, it's... Yeah.
So it's
This one looks really old.
Yeah.
This one's obviously worth more.
Obviously. Oh no, she's gone wrong. Can you do it?
I did it.
You did it. I've got a big pen.
It's so dark you can't see it. Sam found the new pet. Okay, so we're going to look at seeds because we I've been looking on Pinterest, as is everyone in the Western world, and we brought home a palette and we're going to hang plant pots from it and grow like herbs and plants and stuff. So we're going to look at some seeds and pick out some good ones. This is our new house. Do a house tour. In London, this would cost you loads of money. Sarah loves this. Thinking of you, Sarah. Oh, your ottery. Oh, and this one. I think I've just found the best thing in the world, and it's frozen costumes for dogs that you can knit. Why don't I have a tiny dog? I don't understand. So good, so good. Smell these.
Sweets.
Oh my god, look, there's a chalk holder so you don't have to hold a gross chalk texture. Sam has a serious problem with like terracotta, Spanish style, Mexican tapas things. Patterns, glazes.
Yeah, right. I think we've got it.
I like it. Strawberry banana. Oh, there's coconut.
Watermelon.
Oh, I'll have a watermelon. Is that what you're going for?
Yeah.
Okay, so since we last talked, which was probably in the range, so it wasn't very long ago, in fact, we got lollipops and we went round Lidl and bought some like fruit, and that's it really, isn't it? Fruit and yogurt and stuff. We got watermelon lollipops. I think I said that, but they're really good.
Watermelon.
We're gonna go home. And hopefully this bus will take us right back home, which I'm pretty sure it does. I sound like I'm not sure, but I sold it as being really sure. But
yeah, you did.
But I am really sure.
You were sure.
But I've just said now that I'm not, but I am.
Okay.
I'm sure.
Oh,
I'm sure. I'm sure.
Are you sure? You're sure? No.
Yes.
No.
I'm sure. So we'll get the bus and we'll go home, and then we're gonna have sausages and
Sweet potato mash.
sweet potato mash.
Sweet.
Also, this is the biggest lolly in the world. The camera just cut off, but something funny just happened where me and Sam accidentally hit our lollies into each other, and I accidentally shouted, "We just touched tits." And the angriest cyclist went by and looked at us and gave us a filthy look.
Oh, he wasn't happy.
He was not happy. Oh, but it stopped recording and it was so funny. Sad times. I'm so sad too. Oh, bleh. I'll see you back at the house. I'm just going to finish my vlog here because all we did after dinner was we went and just chatted and watched TV, and then came to bed, and I've just been watching TV here as well. So I'm gonna say bye. So if you like this vlog, please like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you very, very soon. Bye.